Hi and welcome to this video showcase for a rather special Mercedes-Benz A250. So to give this car its full model name, this is the Mercedes-Benz A250 Engineered by AMG 4MATIC. Quite a mouthful, but essentially it's Mercedes-Benz's answer to the Golf GTI. This is powered by a 2-litre turbocharged engine. I think it's about 211 brake horsepower. Really lovely noise to the exhaust. This particular car has in excess of £13,000 worth of factory options, including this very special Designo Magno paint, which is essentially like a frozen style paint. It's quite difficult to sort of show it in the on the camera, but essentially it's a lot of people when they first see the car think it's been had a wrap of some description, but this is actually a factory finish. Like I said, this particular paint job was £1,800 on its own. I've not seen another one like it on an A250. There's quite a few of the A45s that have this paintwork finish. The colour is Mountain Grey, Designo Magno. Designo being Mercedes' sort of exclusive line, where you can tailor the car exactly to what you would like. The Engineered by AMG models themselves have a number of different options on the car over and above the A-Class Sports. You have this one-off grille here, which is on the front, which is absolutely beautiful. You also have the red line accents at the bottom. You also have these wheels that are unique to this particular model as well. And on the inside you have some additional red highlights. We have red stitching across the dashboard, as we see here, and also just sort of red bits here in the heater vents. We'll just talk you through the interior in a second, but really just wanted to show you the most stunning thing about this car, which is the outside. Hopefully the camera is picking up the finish on it. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's some people call it frozen paint, some people call it matte paint. The real benefit to this is that you never get any swirl marks in the paint at all, because it literally just doesn't scratch like normal metallic paint does. The bodywork is in fantastic condition. There's just a couple of little tiny stone chips, which I've got a special touch-up stick coming in for, just to which we can supply with the car. Obviously it's a very different sort of paint finish to standard. We also have on this one the twin exhausts at the back, which are all lovely and shiny, and you can see that the paintwork's in absolutely exceptional condition all the way around. No dents, no scratches, no marks, and like I said, no swirl marks either, which is quite nice. So, having a quick look on the top, we have the panoramic sunroof, which is a really nice option on this car. We also have the AMG exclusive pack, which gives full black leather with the red stitching, as I've shown you. These are wonderful single piece sport seats. You also have a LED lighting pack, which is featured up in here in the headrest, so at night you have lights that come down from there as well. So yeah, absolutely beautifully finished. We will have carbon fibre inlays across the centre of the dashboard, and like I said, this beautiful red stitching of the extended leather dash that goes all the way around there. So absolutely beautiful interior. I think Mercedes are really leading the charge at the moment in terms of interior fit and finish. Nice options on this one. We also have the memory seats for both the driver and passenger. We also have heated seats for driver and passenger as well, and also the upgraded dual zone climate control, so you have independent heating and cooling settings for the driver and passenger. We also have the main command system up here. This is not the smaller Becker unit, this is the full-blown Mercedes command system with full satellite navigation. And like I said, the panoramic roof as well, up there, which just floods the interior with light and makes a real difference. Also in the back of the car, privacy glass. And we also have these red seat belts, again, all part of the Engineered by AMG package. So yeah, all in lovely condition throughout, including the boot area. This particular car is the 4MATIC all-wheel drive model. Drives absolutely beautifully. I actually used to have one of these, but the front-wheel drive version. In the summer on dry roads, absolutely beautiful to drive, but I did find that in the winter, if you had slightly damp or greasy roads, that the front wheels would try and spin up quite easily. So the four-wheel drive system on this is excellent. It's permanent and just sort of really improves the road holding and everything like that. Another option on the car, there's quite a few to talk through. We have fully keyless entry. So you just put your hand on the door handle with the key in your pocket and it'll recognise it. And then we also have the keyless start here. You just press your finger on the button to start the car. We also have power folding door mirrors, and located within the door mirrors you will see a little triangle on the side. We start, it should glow red. And that is a blind spot warning indicator. So essentially, if cars come up the inside on either the driver or passenger side in your blind spot, then the red light will come on just to show that you're not safe to overtake at that particular point. So as I said, full command system. We also have all the connections for your telephone and for external devices to be able to play music and sort of stream that through the main system. We have a colour driver information system down here. And everything can be set up through here, through the main computer. And we also have adaptive cruise control. This is a radar guided system, so it will pick up the car in front of you. You can predetermine the distance, as you can see from here, for how close the car follows the one in front, and it will automatically slow you down in traffic and actually bring you to a complete halt. An additional option is the full parking system. We have a reversing camera. We also have front and rear parking sensors, and this one also will park itself into parallel parking spots. So as you drive past, the car will measure the space, and if it'll allow you to park in there, it'll put a small P up on the screen, and when you put the car into reverse, the car will automatically steer into the space. So yeah, very, very handy, and leaves you enough room from the curb so that you don't damage your wheels. So like I said, dual zone climate control, again, that's another upgrade on this particular car. We have the lane change assist that I've spoken about, and also it has lane keeping assist and attention assist. So while you're driving along, if it detects that you're slowly moving out of lane, it'll actually vibrate the steering wheel slightly to alert you to the fact that you're drifting within the lane. So again, absolutely packed full of safety gadgets and features. The steering wheel has all of the controls for the onboard computer, and also your Linguatronic system here for voice recognition, as well as all your Bluetooth buttons for your telephone. And we also have paddle shift gear change on here as well. Different modes for driving: sport, eco and manual mode for using the paddles. Again, all very, very nice and easy to use. Like I said, heated seats, and then obviously your parking system button there as well. So yeah, huge options on this car. Like I said, in total, including the paint, it's £13,000 worth of options. I'm just trying to remember if there was anything else that I haven't told you about. But yeah, absolutely stunning condition, a true one-off. Like I said, there isn't another one available at the moment, as far as we can see. It's very, very rare with this paintwork. If you want a bit more information about the paint itself, there's quite a few myth-busting websites out there which will actually tell you about how to care for this sort of paint. It's really not as daunting as you might think. But yeah, the finish, I think you're probably going to have to see it with your own eyes. It is quite difficult for the camera to pick up, but it looks absolutely stunning and turns heads wherever it goes. So if you want a completely unique version of an extremely capable hot hatch, then you should really come and have a look at this car. Like I said, you won't find another one. So yeah, if we can help with any further information, if you'd like any sort of finance details, then please do let us know. This is a one-owner car. It's actually currently still under Mercedes-Benz warranty until July, but we will supply a 6-month warranty with the car. It's fully serviced, is just about to have its first MOT, and will be ready to go. So yeah, please do give us a shout if you'd like to have some further information or if you'd like to arrange a test drive. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.